Rough Country's classic rear bumper with tire carrier is a classic design with modern appeal. With bold but simple angles, this design truly complements your Jeep's body style for increased protection that blends right in with the look of your classic Jeep. This bumper features a heavy-duty tire carrier attachment capable of running a full-size spare up to 37 inches thanks to a massive reinforced hinge joint that allows you to swing open the tire carrier for easy access to the rear hatch. A convenient handle locks into place to ensure the tire carrier doesn't budge when the Jeep is in motion. Rough Country's full-width rear bumper features a thick steel composition for serious durability and comes coated in a corrosion-resistant, textured black powder coat to withstand the elements. It also features a set of D-ring mounts welded inside and out for superior strength. To accompany the D-ring mounts, this bumper also includes a set of D-rings for easy winching or recovery in off-road environments. Want to keep your license plate in the stock position? If so, you'll also need our license plate adapter. Bolting up an aftermarket bumper and full-size aftermarket spare wheel and tire doesn't leave much room for the rear-facing license plate. But this 100% bolt-on kit makes it easy to retain your license plate mounting position while offering plenty of room to operate the locking mechanism on your swing-out rear tire carrier. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.